Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today, this video is going to be a little different. Life happens. We're taking a break this week. We've done some work out in the getting trucks ready, are working on some new projects. We've got some updates on that. So I'll show that real quick, and then I'll show you what we did for this week's video. As you can see, shop is a whole lot cleaner. It's a lot more organized. Moved a few things around. Still got some more to do, but we had some guests come over for the week, and I had asked to have a jambalaya dinner for a few guests. So we invited some guests over, so I wanted the shop to be clean. So with that, there's nothing wrong with the Rougarou. One of the guests asked if I knew of anybody that could work on a Jeep or could do any kind of parts, and I thought he was a subscriber, but I think he will be now. So Jeep's doing great, but I will show you the list of things on our Lodestar list. We've had a change of plans there. That's more to come on that, but it's going to speed the process up, so hopefully we can make this November deadline. Still got a lot of people in disbelief that we can do that, considering it's early August, but have faith. I think we can knock it out. So, but this video is about jambalaya dinner, and very thankfully, my wife was allowed me to slip a whole lot more footage in. Probably the most footage we've had her on a video yet. So here's that video. Thanks for watching. Yep. Everything is bigger. Huh?
That could use a break.
Bro, you gonna use fire, not the razor? How much pork is there?
It's pork. About 4.5 pounds. That started.
I wonder what Daryl's doing right now. I wonder what Paps is doing right now. I sure do miss him. I guess we'll have to talk to him later, see if he calls us or something. And that's the fresh HEB Yard Pimp juice.
I don't have any homemade ones. Especially not this
Hey,
much.
no artificial flavors.
It's pretty.
All right, she just floats. Here we go.
Ready?
Yep. Oh yeah, it's fluffy. Oh, that's perfect. Turn it off.
Yep. Absolutely.
Put a lid on it. Let it rest. Be fluffy. So thanks for watching the video again. Shout outs to my wife for all the work she did this week and trying to get ready for the dinner I asked her to cook. So again, thank you very much. Thanks for watching.